Good morning to all. Today we are going to do with our third chapter entrepreneurship development. Our first chapter management, the second chapter functions of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. Now let us start with our third chapter. The third chapter, the first one is entrepreneur. So now who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. So entrepreneur means he is a person who want to start a business, who is willing to take risk for what purpose? To earn money. Entrepreneurship Entrepreneurship is a process of setting a new business organization. It is a process where one decides to build a business career by finding the market option and mobilizing the available resources. So, entrepreneurship is a process. So, what all included in this process is the first one is self discovery. The entrepreneur will identify his strength and weakness. After identifying himself, that is his strength and weakness, he will identify the needs or the problems in the society. Then he finally develops new idea, that is the product which he want to produce or the service which he want to provide in the society. Thereafter he develops a business plan after conducting research and survey. So once his business plan is ready, he'll make arrangement for the capital, which is the lifeblood of business. So then he launches his enterprise and he tries to develop more customers. And finally, there is growth and expansion. So, when there is growth and expansion, he get his return. So, that is, he get back his return in the form of money. So, this entire process of setting a new business is known as entrepreneurship. The third is enterprise. Enterprise is the final outcome or the result. So that is enterprise. So enterprise is the organization or the industry. That is enterprise. This you can clearly understand with this image. Entrepreneur means the person. Entrepreneurship, it is the process or the activity. And the third is enterprise. Enterprise is the final output or the result is known as the enterprise. That is the organization or the industry is known as enterprise. Now, if I ask you to give me some examples of an entrepreneur, you'll come up with Dhirubhai Ambani, Steve Jobs for his Apple products, Mark Zuckerberg for Facebook, right? Etc. And we have many other entrepreneurs. But apart from these entrepreneurs, those who are earning in millions and billions, we also have other entrepreneurs. Take for example, the small businessman who is there in your neighborhood, who has founded the grocery shop in your neighborhood, is an entrepreneur. The founder of the newly established laundry services across your street is also an entrepreneur. The freelancing means independent plumber. So, the freelancing plumber who unclog your drains is also an entrepreneur. So, entrepreneur is a person who is who want to start a business, who is willing to take risk for what purpose? To earn some money. I'll give you some more examples of entrepreneur. The first one is Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. This everyone might be aware about their startup, that is the Flipkart. The second is Bhavesh Agarwal. Their startup is Ola. I'll tell you one incident which motivated Bhavesh Agarwal to start his Ola cab. So once Bhavesh was traveling from Bangalore to Bandipur, for which he rented a car. The driver stopped the car in the middle of the journey and he started renegotiating with Bhavesh regarding his fare. That is what Bhavesh was about to pay. Okay. Then Bhavesh refused to pay the excess amount. So what the driver did, he asked Bhavesh to leave the cab and left him in the middle of his journey. This is the situation where he realized that this unfortunate situation which he was undergoing might be faced by even many other customers across the country who were looking for good quality cab. So this is how he got motivated and he started his own Ola cab. We have Vijay Shekhar Sharma for Paytm, Ritesh Agarwal. Ritesh Agarwal, the founder and the CEO of Oyo Hotels and Homes. He is just 21 year and he is a successful entrepreneur. We have Shiv Nada for HCL products. Subhash Chandra Goyal, the founder of SL Group and ZTV. That is, he is the chairman of SL Group and founder of ZTV. Some women entrepreneurs, chairperson and CEO of Pepsi, Indra Nui. Then Vandana Luthra, who started VLCC Healthcare Limited. So these are some examples, some famous entrepreneurs. Now, what these entrepreneurs do, they always dream big. They consider the unsolved problems in the society as an opportunity. They consider the problem as a opportunity. Now, if we consider a problem as a problem, then that will be a problem for us. If we consider a problem as an opportunity, that will result in success. So that is what this entrepreneur does. They consider the problem as an opportunity and they grab those opportunity and finally they achieve their goal. They develop business model for the society. India, we need more and more of job creators and not job seekers. So India needs more and more of entrepreneurs with new creative ideas, innovative skills, better solutions for the society who can solve the problems or the needs in the society. New businessmen with new ideas. And we should always learn from the experienced businessmen.